Hey y'all, it's your girl Kaya and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I made my DIY stack leggings. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Let's get started. First, y'all are going to need 2 pair of leggings, and y'all, I got these leggings from Forever 21 and they were like $3. So you don't even have to buy new leggings. I didn't buy new leggings. I had already had these leggings. And in both pair of the leggings, it's a size medium. So y'all, I will be using my needle and thread that I use for sewing hair. Yes, y'all, I'm going to be using that. And I also have my scissors. This is a very easy process if you know how to hand sew. If you don't, then I'm going to need you to go check out some videos on how to hand sew because it's a really easy process. So when y'all thread, y'all need to make sure y'all double or triple knot it at the end so y'all thread won't slide through. So now y'all going to take the pants that you want to be stacked and you're going to cut the end bottom strip off, y'all. You can keep this on there or you can cut off, but I prefer to cut off to make it the ending a smooth surface. So y'all just gonna do that stuff for both of the pants leg. So now you're going to take the other pair of tights and you're going to cut around the thigh area, or you can cut higher or lower. It depends on how much stack you want. And just do that step for both sides also. So y'all, pants legs should come out looking like this. And with the extra pair of tights you have left over, there are now shorts. You can turn those into something or you can throw them away. So with the pants leg that you just cut off, y'all gonna have to cut off the ending of those too. Okay, so once y'all have done that for both of the pants leg, y'all are gonna fold them inside out. Now you're going to take your other pair of tights and you're going to pull the cut pants leg through. And y'all make sure the sides are alike because you don't want to put the wrong side of the pants leg on the other side. So make sure they are alike. And y'all see I just did that, so I had to change it. Also, y'all make sure the end of the pants leg are together. So now y'all, we're gonna be beginning to sew. So y'all, at the beginning, make sure y'all knot it up 3 times. If not, you don't want your pants coming loose when you wearing them or when you wash them. So make sure y'all knot it at the beginning. And y'all, I had to sit down to do this because Lord, I was trying to stand it up. So now y'all just gonna be getting y'all sewing process. And if y'all don't know how to sew, I told y'all go watch YouTube videos on how to do that because I can't explain it for real. And like I told y'all in my last video, if y'all haven't seen it on how I made my DIY stack jeans, make sure y'all go watch that. Link is in the description. So now we at the end, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how I knot it. So I wrap the thread around the needle 4 times and then I pull it and make a knot, y'all. Simple and easy. So now y'all just cut the excess string off, make a knot, and you're done. And there we have it, y'all. So I'm gonna do the other pants leg and I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm finished. So now y'all, I am finished with both of the pants leg. As y'all can see a little bit of the thread, but once you put your pants on and start to stack them, you can easily cover that up. So y'all, this is how they came out, y'all. I am so in love with these leggings, y'all. Y'all just don't understand. If y'all want to see any more videos like this, please let me know in the comments and I got y'all. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see y'all in my next video.